Do you need to run an untrusted program on your Windows 10 PC? Need to install and try a program without affecting the installation? Want to know how to safely run an untrusted application on a PC running Windows 10? In this guide, we will see how to safely run an untrusted program in Windows 10 without affecting the operating system and your data. Okay, so in Windows 10, there is a feature called Windows Sandbox, which allows you to run programs in isolation. In simple words, the Windows Sandbox feature acts as a virtualization software such as the VirtualBox and enables you to run applications without affecting the host. So before you install Windows Sandbox, you need to make sure that your PC requirement here is good enough to install Windows Sandbox. So here you can see you need to have a Windows 10 Pro Enterprise or Education or later. So Windows 10 Home Edition is not available to install Windows Sandbox. And also you need to make sure that at least 4 gig of RAM and 1 gig of free disk space, at least 2 CPU cores. So just make sure that your PC requirement to install Windows Sandbox here is good enough. Alright, to get started, you need to go here, go to Windows Search and search for Windows, turn on Windows features on or off. Then scroll down here, just find Windows Sandbox. Okay, alright, this one you need to tick and press OK. So you need to wait a little bit, and after that, it will ask you to restart your PC. Okay, just wait and restart. Press restart now. Okay, so now Windows Sandbox already activated on our PC. So to open it, you need to type Windows Sandbox. Okay, so press this one, Windows Sandbox. Yes. Okay, it will open up a little bit. If you open it for the first time, you need to wait a little bit for it to generate. Okay, so now it's already open. Alright, you can see the features here. It looks same like our Windows 10. Okay, so you can do anything here just like on your original Windows 10. You have Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge here, and you can also have program files. Alright, the best features here, you can test any software if you think it is harmful for your PC. You can also drag and drop from your PC. Let me show you first. Alright, if you have some programs on your PC you want to test, you want to put it on Windows Sandbox, just right click on this and then press copy. You can't drag and drop, it will not going to enter into your Windows Sandbox. You need to right click and press copy, and then you right click here and paste. Alright, so here. So it's easy if you want to copy and paste from your PC to Windows Sandbox. If you want, you can also download from Microsoft Edge. You can enter any website, anything that you want to download here, just like on your normal PC. Okay, so the purpose for this Windows Sandbox is to make sure that you stay safe online, and everything that you downloaded from the internet or browse from the internet, you don't have to worry because it will not affect your original Windows 10, your own PC. So this can be uh, This way is one of the best way to test any untrusted application. So just use it as a normal Windows, and I think you might like it. Besides that, any changes that you make the Windows Sandbox won't affect the Windows 10 host installed on your PC and your data. So it's absolutely safe to run unsafe programs in the sandbox, as a program running inside the sandbox cannot affect your host. And one more thing, any file or any programs that you save here in Windows Sandbox will be gone, and it will be deleted when you restart this Windows Sandbox. So please keep in mind that any programs will be gone if you put something inside this Windows Sandbox. So do not keep important files in here, just to be safe. And this Windows Sandbox, use it for only for testing purpose. Okay, so do not store any important files here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. See you again.